This guy is washed. What do you mean? I'll go e5 again. I can obviously trade. I'll go here instead. Don't like my position in this game. Yeah, I don't like my position at all. My bishop on c8 is really bad here. I've gotten a bad position in this game. This is the worst position I've had so far. Easily the worst position I've had. Oh, takes with a knight. Did not expect that. I don't really want to trade. Knight f6, bishop e7. Okay, at least I'm not down like 10 years on the clock yet. Gotta come with moves. Let's put pressure on the pawn. Uh-oh, it's getting bad. I'm in danger. I'm in real danger here. I might have to sack the rook and try to survive, but this looks legitimately scary. Sorry guys, I gotta focus. I can't talk. This looks really bad. Bishop h6 I just take. Knight f6 I just take. Rook d8 or something? Shoot. Do I rook d8 maybe? No, then bishop g3 or something. Very dangerous. Extremely dangerous. Doesn't this allow me to take though? Isn't this checkmate on G2? I got him. I didn't get him in the sense of like, I didn't get him in the sense where it's winning, but I'm not losing. How do I win this though is the problem. How do I win this? I'm gonna do something I would not normally do. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna give him an extra pawn and try to win this game. This is not what I would normally do, but I cannot afford a draw. I could trade and go g5 maybe. No, wait. Got g5, king g6 maybe? Crud. I'm gonna have to try to flag him. Nah, I can't win. He's got too much time. If I go king e3, I'm gonna lose the game. No.